Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox back again with another awesome video, you guys. And today I am going to be making a stir-fried rice. Well, should I say a chicken stir-fried rice dish for the family. And this is also for weight loss because it's how you make it that qualifies it as being healthy enough for you to eat on your weight loss journey. Okay? So in this video today, I'm going to be doing it in stages. Now right now I have my brown rice boiling to get ready for that. But in the midst of that, I got my chicken cutlets already washed. Okay? And all I need to do is slice them into pieces. So that's what I'm going to do first. But let me show you what I'm going to also use to marinate it. So for now, I'm going to be using some Ikon teriyaki sauce. Okay? And I'm also going to be using some cloves of garlic, as well as 2 stalks of my green onion. We call these scallions. So what I'm going to do for now is I'm going to mince up my garlic. If you have the minced garlic, the garlic already minced up in the bottle, that's good too. And that was about 4 cloves of garlic. Okay, next I'm going to slice up my scallions. Okay. And I love the smell of fresh scallions. So for now, I'm just going to sit this on the side. Okay, so next I'm going to take my chicken cutlets and I'm going to cut them into pieces. Okay, you guys, so we are back. Now, the cutlets are nice and cubed and ready. So now we're ready to season up our chicken cutlets. Alright? Now this is actually 3 pounds of chicken cutlets. Nicely trimmed. Like they are not fat, but you can also still cube those if you choose to get the thicker ones. Now I'm going to use some black pepper, and this is to taste. Okay, you can use black pepper, white pepper, whatever you desire. Next I'm going to use my Lawry seasoned salt. And lastly, I'm going to be using my garlic. We're just going to mix that in. Give our chicken some seasoning. So you're going to rub that in really good till all of your chicken is covered. Okay, so next I'm going to use the chopped up herbs that I did earlier, my 2 stalks of scallions, as well as my garlic, my 4 cloves of garlic, and we're just going to add that into the mixture. Okay, and you're going to just do the same thing. Next we're going to also be using our teriyaki sauce, and we're going to marinate this for a couple of hours in the refrigerator. And I would say that's about a half a cup to a cup, well, not even a cup, but a half a cup, 1/4 to a half a cup of teriyaki sauce. And this is something that you could tweak to your own liking. Last, I'm going to be using my mushroom soy sauce. My mushroom soy sauce. And maybe like 2 tablespoons of that. Okay, now we're going to cover it and pop it in our refrigerator for a couple of hours. So the rice is finished, and what I'm doing now is just taking it out of the pot to cool off so it's not clumpy when I start to use it, and it's not too hot. So what I'm doing is I found a dish and I'm just spreading it out so this way it can cool off when it's time for me to use it. In the meantime, my chicken cutlets is marinating in the refrigerator. And once that's done, we'll go to the next step. Okay, you guys, so I am back. Right now I'm heating up my pan. Okay, and I'm also going to be using some bean sprouts. I'm also going to be adding in some beans and carrots. Okay, and I'm also going to dice up an onion. Now I may not need the whole entire onion because this is pretty big. So I'm just going to dice up half of this onion. Now while my pan is getting hot, I'm going to put some oil, some extra virgin olive oil in there. About 2 tablespoons, 2 to 3 tablespoons. And I'm also going to dice up my green onion. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to throw my onions in there. My onions and my scallions. I'm just going to stir that in there real quick. Now make sure your pan is on high because we're gonna need to cook these on high temperatures. And you're just gonna throw in your chicken cutlets in there as well. And we're just gonna stir fry that up. Okay, we're just going to let that cook on each side and then toss it up as it gets brown. Okay. Now I want the chicken to cook really good before adding anything else in. So I'm going to let this simmer down a little bit more and cook thoroughly before adding in any of the other ingredients. Okay, so now I'm going to add in my 2 pounds of my green sprouts. So I'm just going to put that in there. Now I rinsed them off already. So these are freshly rinsed bean sprouts. Then I'm going to add in my carrots and beans. Now this is a lot only because I'm cooking for a big family. Okay. And like I said, you can tweak this to any way you like. If you like eggs in your fried rice, you can scramble some eggs, throw that in there. You can add in whatever vegetables that you choose, you know. Okay, so I'm gonna let this cook down a little more and we'll be right back. Okay. So basically I'm just letting the vegetables steam along with the chicken. Yeah, I'm just letting the vegetables cook a little bit more. So I'm just going to add in a little bit more seasoning. A little more seasoned salt. A little more garlic. Okay, so now that the vegetables are finished steaming and cooking into the chicken, now it's time to add our rice. Now I'm just going to add some at a time. I'm not going to throw the whole thing all in at once. I'm just going to stir that in. Now I just added in about 10 cups of rice. And I'm just checking to see if that's enough. If not, I'm going to add more. And then what I'm going to do is add in some more soy sauce. And this is my mushroom soy sauce. And there you have it, chicken fried rice. Now let me get a little share and I'll show you how it looks. So there you have it, you guys, your chicken fried rice. Easy and a healthy meal for you and your family. Okay? So thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below if you want to see more videos like this. Also share these videos with your friends and family. For those of you who are looking for ideas of what you can eat while you are on your weight loss journey, this is an awesome idea for you. Stir fry your vegetables, stir fry your rice, and make it a meal. Okay, instead of going out there buying Chinese food, make your own. Alright, so thank you so much for joining me. Like, comment, subscribe down below. Don't forget to also visit my other channel, Velvetlox, where you will get hair care, skin care, fashion hauls, and also family vlogs. Alright? And until the next video, you guys, I will see you then. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs. Okay, so check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.